Hi there, Jordan here with Chevrolet of Everett, your Pacific Northwest electric vehicle specialist. I wanted to give you a quick update here. As you can see down the line, we do have just a few bolts left in stock that are waiting on that battery recall update. The batteries are on order, so we're just waiting for them to arrive. The configuration is open for 2023, so we are able to submit those orders and get those in. Again, those are expected to be delivered towards the end of the year on into the beginning of the next year. I wanted to let everybody know I've gotten a couple of calls and questions on the 240 complimentary 240 volt charger being installed through Qmerit. That does qualify for 2022s that are still left in stock and available, and the 2023s. If you want to get some more information, as always, reach out to us here at 425-265-8000. Anybody on our sales team would be happy to help. Again, I'm Jordan with Chevrolet of Everett, your Pacific Northwest electric vehicle specialist.